Hello guys, welcome back to Aditya Financial Insight. In this video, we are talking about the FrostByte token analysis. You can see at the guide in a just single day 444% growth, and you can see 24-hour activity. I will discussion. You can see 72% buy and 28% sell. I hope it will go more and more up in incoming hour. Without 24-hour activity 30.1k and H3 hour just over listed. Full liquidity 5.64k and circulating supply 1 billion and holder only 10. So if you want to trade and invest here, you can join with your financial advisor. So thank you guys. This video my trading partner ADITY. My invitation code 143791. If you want to join with my invitation code, you will get $100 as a free of offer. So you can trade ADITY and invest on crypto market. So thank you guys. Later video information you can connect with Aditya Financial Insight. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.